Ridgid Tools is targeting mechanics. That means they're targeting you! Look at them. I was in auto body many years ago and had to rely on the dreaded air hose. And sometimes I would fuss around with the air hose. And as I was fussing around with the air hose, my boss would kindly say to me, "You just scratched the paint hole, but now you don't need air hose because now we got cordless." And anybody who says they still love using the air hose is just being a air hose. So what do we got here today? We got some mighty powerful impact wrenches. We got some of those new sweet ratchets. Wait. You trying to click off this video? You planning on leaving this video because you think it's boring? What do you think this is? BCG construction? You keep watching, dude. 3/8 inch ratchet, new 1/2 inch ratchet, new 1/4 inch ratchet with a booty. New 1/2 inch impact wrench. Model number is R86212. A different 1/2 inch impact wrench. Model number for this is R86012. And the third 1/2 inch impact wrench. Model number R86012PD. And let's not forget the booties. You see, the booties are real nice-like because they protect your stuff from grease and damage. Hold on, let me get that booty on here real quick. That booty stays on there real nice-like, real tight-like. It's real nice-like. And now all three have the booties. This ratchet also has the booty. But you want to see these things in action. Get subscribed, hit the bell notification and the like button, and I'll think about it. Cool, let's go. Do you see this right here? This right here, my friends, is the world's most famous treated 6x6 with no pilot holes. And these right here are 1/2 inch lag bolts. One single lag bolt caused mucho friction in this treated 6x6 with no pilot holes. Way harder to drive than your wimpy lag nuts. Behold! This is the 1/2 inch high torque. First, we shall try it on slow. There's different modes, 1, 2, 3, and auto. Let's start it out on mode 1. No pilot holes. It's too slow. Mode 3. That's real nice now. Let's go with the next one. This is the 12 PD. No pilot hole. I don't want to go slow. I want to go fast. 3, 2, 1, go. Backwards. 3, 2, 1, go. It's real nice, like, but can it pull it out? Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Oh, and by the way, I'm using a 4H bat ray on all these tests. It's the same bat ray. Now it's time for the little baby impact wrench. This is the R86012. You know me, I don't want to go slow. I want to go fast. This is the third lag screw. This test is getting very expensive. No pilot holes. Where's my socket? I seem to be having some issue getting my socket off. I seem to be having technical issues with my detent pin. I got to push in like that. That's not real nice, like. So this is very strange to me. Never seen anything like this before. The detent pins, usually you can pull these things up, but this one here seems to really hold the socket on, and you got to push in on it like so to get it off. Maybe they designed it that way to do that, to keep this on without this, thing falling off and getting in your motor or whatever you're doing, but I've never ever seen that before with a detent pin where you got to push down and take that out. The other impact wrenches do not have detent pins. By the way, the detent pin is on the 12 PD. 6012, no pilot hole. 3, 2, 1. He likes that mid torque. Let's do it again. All right, fine, let's try the auto. This does have a pilot hole. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and notices how much me likes. Let's go full power. Nope, that's slow. Full power. Excellent. Take it out. Impact wrench is done. Now it's time to use the ratchet. Follow me. You see, back in my younger years, I was a little careless with the air hose. You know, I kind of just tossed them around, and sometimes, well, I wasn't too kind to the paint jobs, if you know what I mean. And the boss didn't take too kindly to that. Oh. Now, there's a couple people that say there's an issue with this, but let me point out a couple really cool things. Number one, it's quiet. I can sit there and do this all day long, and you can still hear me talking. Matter of fact, I can sit there and say, smash that like button, get subscribed, hit that bell notification, and you can still hear that. Way better than this crap. Let me try that again. Way better than this crap. Did I mention it has a bootay? And an LED light. But here's where some people run into issues with this. See, some people say that battery on the back right there is too bulky. But if I need to take off my fender, I ain't having no issue. I can get down in my motel. Look at that. I'm all the way down there. Yeah. That said, I mostly heard those complaints on TikTok. But TikTok sucks. If I want to change my direction, just like on the pneumatic, just simply turn, and it goes the other way. For being battery powered, it's not too heavy. Matter of fact, it's kind of light. And it has that sweet variable speed. Oh, by the way, you want some of the specs on these? I'll leave them right here. So there you go. I like them. I think they're real nice. Like, if you want to see another video, I'll leave one right here. You'll like that too. Bye-bye.